Good morning. Today we are going to do the farm work with green series. So I'm going to turn it so you can see just a little better. Good. I can learn about farm animals, the farm, a work about nouns. So today we're going to build on our pink series work. This is called green series. So we learn how to do singular and plural. So here we have cow. Cow. So what we're going to do is we're going to make more than one cow. So we have two. And so we have to add an S to the end because now we have cows. I'll put that over here. Cows. And now we're going to do the same thing with our rabbit. We're going to add another one. I'm going to put the rabbit over here, I think. So we have room for our word. So we're going to have an S at the end because it's more than one. Rabbits. We'll bring our word over. Rabbits. Okay, we're going to move that one over just a little bit so we have more room. So here we have the word horse. So we're going to add another horse to our farm. Okay, stand still, good. And that means we have two. So when we have two or more, it becomes a plural. We're going to add our S. Horses. And we'll get our word. And we'll put it over here. Horses. Now we're going to do the same thing with the sheep. So we have another sheep. But this is really a funny one. The word sheep doesn't get an S at the end. It's an exception to the rule. So we don't have to do anything to it. We just say sheep. And there's our plural. Now we're going to do the same thing with hen. Oh my, we forgot to spell it. So we're going to pull out movable alphabet again. N, hen. That is so much better. And now we're going to put another hen over there, or two. Hen. So now we have more than one. So now we have to add our S. Hens. So now I'm going to just move those over just a little bit so we can get our plural words standing up for you. Oh, singular fell down. Move the cat over. Hens. Hens. Now let's get our cat going. So we have a cat. Cat. But now we're going to add another cat. He's a little hard to see. We'll have to let him play peekaboo. And so now we have to add an S to the end of our word. Cats. Cats. Now let's get our plural. Cats. Good. So we're going to reread what we just did, okay? Cow, cows. Rabbit, rabbits. Horse, horses. Sheep, sheep. Hen, hens. Cat, cats. I hope you enjoy doing green series with me in singular and plural. Have a great day.